Hello, here's cartooning station. This is the new product, Tesla real wood cover. Real wood cover. This is the real wood uh, for the center console. See that? This one, the size, the model is 1.1, like original. It fits very perfect with the original car, and the color. You can see the color. It's the detail color. It's like a original, very near the original. See that? The size is perfect fit, and the color also fit. It's available for the Model 3 before the 2020 year model, and all the Model Y model, all the Tesla Y model, Tesla Model 3, the before 2020 year model, and all the Tesla Y model with the 3M sticker here. When you install, you need to be careful. First, you need to make sure that when you install it like this, you need to from middle to two sides to get the pressure to fit.